gonna do some creek fishing. I gotta give that lake a break. Or I need a break from the lake, I should say. Damn thing is kicking my butt. Well, y'all, while I'm waiting for my friend, I might as well show you my 3 favorite lures for creek fishing, especially smallmouth bass. Let's see. Guess I could have had this ready. There you go. First one is a little silver spoon, 1/8 ounce. Resembles the flash of a shiner. You know, in the sunlight when they're the glimmer, the shine. Yeah. Spoon. Spoons are good in the creeks. Sinking jerk bait. It's my second one. This one catches fish. Nothing special about it. It's just $1.99 Walmart special. No name brand, nothing. Just cheap lure. Catches fish. And then creature baits. Crawfish. J-tails. Love J-tails. Love J-tails. And then I got one of those bags of Googans. I think it's some kind of weird worm, trick worm. I don't know what it is. Some worm. I haven't caught anything with it. Smells good. Smells like licorice. But anyway, creature baits. So spoon, sinking jerk bait, creature baits. Those are my 3 favorite creek fishing lures. Especially for smallmouth bass. Those smallmouth, they love freaking crawfish. And these creeks, they got a lot of like little rocks and whatnot. Lots of crawfish. And so crawfish is the way to go, in my opinion. Well, this creek that we're headed to, the locals call it a world-class smallmouth bass fishery. It's got a lot of smallmouth, that's for sure. It's a beautiful creek. It's crystal clear. Got vegetation, small rocks, big rocks, deep pools. It's just a beautiful creek overall. I know I'm going to have fun creek fishing whether I catch anything or not, but it's just a beautiful place to be. So that's where we're going to go. Soon, I hope. Alright, here we go. Finally. Roar, Chevy, roar. You think the water's cold?
I don't think so. But I hope it's going to be refreshing for stomach.
Oh, this is going to be good. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe not. It's pretty deep though.
You got stairways in heaven in there.
Alright, I've seen all them shiners, so I'm going to start with this little spoon. Silver spoon. See what we get. Alright, spoon is not right. I thought it looks more like a shiner. I'll go for a shiner, but obviously it's not the case. Alright. Round 2. And I got hit like 3 times.
Yeah.
And they spit it out. I know. And they're big. They're not little bass. They're big bass. Yeah. This one didn't have strength. And it did the last one. Ow. Ow. It bit me. Ow. It's so good.
Biting too?
Stop it. Hey.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah. Come through. Beautiful smallmouth.
I'd say 2 dollars for 10.
Yeah. Alright, but hey. They don't like the cinematic releases. They just go. Yeah, I'm averaging 1 lure per bass.
Yeah, they chew it up.
They tear it up, yeah. But this seems to be the magic.
What's on head?
Yeah, the J-tail. I think it could be a crawdad or it could be a frog.
Yeah. Could be a frog.
Could be a frog. There's a lot of frogs around here. See if I can get one more fish out of this thing. That's what I got. That little guy. He came back for seconds. Oh, don't get you on the ground. Alright, let me get you on the ground. Oh no, it's hot. I'd say you wanted it. You wanted that, bud. There we go. Nice little one. Hungry. See if you can do better than your big brother. Yeah. Nice. We're just gonna work our way along this grassy bank right here till something bites us. Or we get caught in the bushes. No, it's a better one. Oh, come on. Hello, Mr. Smallmouth. You know you got a lot of big fans. I'm one of them. We love you. We do. Oh, you got that in there. You weren't going nowhere, were you? Oh, they got one up there. Oh. You got a big boy? Can't hear me. You probably can't even see it so far up there. Oh, lost him. Damn. Anyway, I'm just dragging across the bottom. Hey, little guy. Didn't I just catch you a minute ago? Huh? These guys are strong in the current. Oh. Hello. Hi. Hang on. Woo. You killed it, bud. There we go. Nice smallie right there. Smallmouth bass, no stripes. Pretty. These guys fight. Yeah. Rock. Well, you know, caught a lot of fish, but I've caught a hell of a lot of rocks. Big ones. I'm gonna take my backpack off, just in case I fall. That's possible. It's possible. Oh, down she goes. Hope this is okay. Alright. Yo. Catch your shoe? I got it. I saw you go down. I was like, oh, there she goes. Sorry, y'all. Battery died on me. It was almost like the dinner bell. Dinner bell. As soon as that battery died, he bit.
Alright.
Yeah. There we go. Alright, little guy. There was a big one with him. Oh, or her. Bye. Gotcha. Hey, little one. Oh, you got it good. It's like I'm taking part of your cheek with it. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, little boy. There you go. Oh, feisty. Oh, okay. I said, okay. One more cast. It's hard to leave when you're catching fish. Oh. Oh, sha. Alright, I'm coming. Coming. This creek is definitely one of Arkansas's best kept secrets because it is truly a world-class smallmouth bass fishery. They're just stacked. It's almost like a trout fishery. So if y'all want to catch smallmouth, come to Arkansas. It's hot. I think it's hitting 100 today. I know it's at least 99 right now. So I'm cooked. We're heading in. So tight lines, everyone. I'll see you next week. I love creeks. God, I love creeks.